Il penserait, ça se peut que le frère soit elle. Start easy, puis... Ouais, hein? Ouais, mon comique. Je pense que c'est elle. What's up, Moose? How was your, what day are we? How was your Friday night? Was it good? Is everything chilling? Is everything chilling? Good. Wait, I have to find... I have to find this stupid song. Wait a minute. I have to find this stupid song, guys. This song is dumb. Good stuff, Moose. Good stuff. This song is actually so dumb. Guys, this song, it sounds so easy, but my brain will literally turn to mush. Oh, Cordy, what did you do last night? Were there maybe some... Roxy, thank you so much for the fires. All of the fire. Roxy is carrying the torch. Whew. Did Cordy hit... Did Cordy drink her liquid, her weight in liquid? Is that what happened? It doesn't even, this chart doesn't even make sense, dude. It doesn't follow anything. Tabaret. Guys, okay, if I could freaking hear the drums in this, I might be able to play it better. What is going on? Where's the drums? Can this lady shut the F up? Or guy? Oh no. I would probably do better playing this song with my eyes closed. Oh my god. No, in order to get a PB, I have to actually play. I actually have to play the song. Colin, c'est quoi ça, cette là, man? Why is that only rated 5?